Hello YouTubers, it's Soprano Musings and I'm on my way home. Today was my half day at school. Yay! So that means I don't get to spend all day teaching. I get to spend half of my day out in this beautiful weather here. Um, just gorgeous. But anywho, that's not the point of this video. I received a request for, I guess, a apartment tour, but I wanted to give you a disclaimer. I do not have an apartment. I do not have a house. I have a studio. And with the talk program, where you live depends on your school. So some scholars have apartments, some scholars have houses, and I'm one of the scholars that has a studio, which honestly I love because it's less that I have to worry about, really. So yeah, I'm gonna take you all on a quick studio tour of my place. So keep watching. Hello again. So luckily I do not live on the first floor. There's a restaurant on the first floor. I am a few staircases up, as you can hear my breath, and we are here at my apartment, which is keypad, and have an intercom. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the code in. Y'all don't need to see all that, so we're just gonna look the other way. But I am in. I can't remember if I cleaned or not. So here is a little cubby area for, what do I have in here? Nothing. Yay! I think I had like, oh yeah, there's one of my yoga mats. But I keep like my shoes and paperwork apparently, and like extra toiletries. So again, we're over in Asia, so I need to take my shoes off. And to my left is, oh, thank goodness it's clean, is my restroom, well, bathroom. Well, actually, no, it's not a bathroom. It's, yeah, restroom, toilet area, I guess, because I have a little divider, in case you guys can see. And then, oh, there's me. Hello. So, and I keep, like, toiletries, first aid kit, all that stuff in here. And can I just say I love that, the lights that come on right before you enter and exit. So remember, I said before, I do not have a house, I do not have an apartment, I have a studio. So give you guys a grand tour. Here is my studio apartment. Yay! I really like it. There's the phone for the intercom, and then this is for the heat. Well, this controls the weather basically, so when it gets cold, hot, what have you, I can have heated floors if I wanted to, but I like to keep my bills low. There is my bed. I guess there was a mattress in here at one point, but something happened and they just never got another one in here. So what I do is I unfold everything, and then I make a pallet or a mat, and I lay down and go to sleep. My contract is initially for 6 months, so that's like for 6 months, it's not a big deal. Also, a few years ago, I had a really bad issue with bed bugs in the States, and quite honestly, I don't want to deal with that. So I'm completely fine without a bed. I may reconsider and get something if I'm able to extend my contract, which I should find out in a couple of weeks, so fingers crossed. But yeah, this is my bed area, my clothes area here, my microwave. I do want to get another stand because this one is quite shaky and it worries me. Here's my television that I do not use because just reasons I don't use it that often. I have 2 laptops, so my luggage, and then like sweaters and all that fun stuff. This is what I made during my training. We had the Taekwondo class and I got to break this. So that's my motto for when I go teach. And then I have a long lift mirror, which is cool because I haven't had one in years. And then here's my dryer. It's normally in the kitchen area, but I just leave it out because this one here it's broken. So the washer, and yeah, I need to do laundry. So, quick thing. For those of you that do not read this, which is Hangul, when I use my washer, I press the power button here, and then Kosu, I press that 3 times, and it takes me here to Gumsuk, and then I press start, and that washes my clothes for 40 minutes. That's the shortest run. There is an iron board that I don't use, and my, I guess my outlets. Word of caution: don't try to plug up everything, okay? Because you can cause fire. It's real over here. So, yeah, I have a few outlets, but again, I try not to use too much because I like keeping my bill low. Pots and pans that came with the studio, and then some silverware I bought, a little Starbucks can. Okay, now I'm just nitpicking, but what I really wanted to show you guys was this is the gas. So I keep it off when I'm not using it, and then when I do use it, I turn that knob. Okay, I turn it this way, and then I turn it back. So I have cabinets, but really I only use this one here. And I don't know why I'm showing you this right now, but I guess because the American in me was so excited that peanut butter is happening here in South Korea. Like, peanut butter and jelly is still a new concept over here, so I was very excited about that. I need honey, and I clearly need popcorn. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's pretty much what I eat when I don't like go out. I do have this, but I don't go in there. Again, I try not to meddle with too much stuff. So yeah, in short, this is my studio, and overall I'm very happy with it. It's very low maintenance. One thing you probably didn't notice was this, because here in South Korea they don't have what I call a normal broom. Okay, I am 5'7", so that's like 171 centimeters. I'm rather tall, and the brooms that we see here in South Korea are not even a meter long, and I don't want to put my back out, so I use this to sweep. Yeah, that's pretty much it, because I don't have anything else. I probably will like to, what do they say, like the winter blues, like that hits a lot of people. So if I'm feeling a little down, a little depressed, then I will decorate, because there are some things that I want to get, but again, I try not to do too much, because I like my landlady, my landlord, we get along pretty well, but there was one incident where she was worried that I might cause a fire because I put the microwave, my lazy ass, I tried to put it here, and she's like, no, Paya, that. So I was like, yeah. But yeah, other than that, it's really nice. Like I said, I love my studio. It's small, low maintenance, and it's in the city. So yeah. If you have any thoughts, any questions about the city that I'm living in, the school that I'm in, let me know in the comments. I may do a Q&A depending on the questions that I get. And what else? Yeah, that's it. If you are applying for the talk program, let me know in the comments. If you have any concerns, questions about talk experience so far. Yeah, if you're considering talk, get your information, get your paperwork, and just do it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. As always, be inspired, stay inspiring, and I will see you guys in my next video. Annyeong!